Hello guys, my name is AlexTheGrumpyOne and today I'm here to do a video to show you the main tools that I'm using on my car repairs and overall. The tools I'm using mainly are US Pro and Bergen. You've probably seen them in my previous videos, but I just wanted to do a video just to show you quickly and explain a bit about these tools. So I've been using them for around 6 years on a daily basis. On all sorts of cars as well, on different makes, and so far I honestly never had an issue with any of them. I got the toolbox at work that are full of them, and now obviously in this workshop I'm starting to buy tools and I'm filling up this toolbox and the one I got on the side, which is Pro Tools. I've recently bought quite a few of them as well, as you can see, and I'll show you in a bit the other new tools that I got. This stuff I'm buying from a company in Devon called tools2udirect. I'm going to put the website in description, and also they sell them on Amazon and eBay. I've bought it from all the options and the delivery is quick. I'm happy with that, and the support that you get from them is good as well. So like I said, I just wanted to show you some of the tools that I'm using, and I'm going to show you the new tools I got, and you're also going to be seeing a lot of these tools in my future videos, and I'm going to be putting the link in description where you can get them from, and I want to say that the prices on them are great as well, which is very handy. Right guys, so this is just my recent delivery, a few bits that I bought. I just wanted to show you. So look, you got a perfect set here. They do quite a few different ones with different grips. So this is a great set of pliers, locking pliers. So I mainly use these ones, say like anti-roll bar links. When I'm removing them, it's handy to grip them and then just undo it with the impact ratchet. But you can also use them for the clips on your coolant hoses and etc. Like I said, I'm sure you're going to see me using them in my future videos, and you probably see me using similar ones in the past. Then I bought these rear calipers winding tool that you connect to the air compressor, which is very handy. I already got a manual kit, which is good, from them as well. And because I already got the kit, I just bought the, like, I'll call it a gun I suppose, because I got all the adapters that I can use from a manual kit to put on this. So this tool is great because obviously you don't need to use different manual tools. You only use this one and you can adjust it. So whichever way you have to unwind the caliper, either left side or right hand or left hand. So you got the release one here as well when it's connected to the airline to push it back in. It's very minimal space, so when your pads and discs are completely worn, you got a very tiny space there, so you can fit that between the caliper and the piston, which I think is great. And then obviously, just once you're connected to the airline, you just press this trigger here and it starts pushing it out, and at the same time you're going to be unwinding or winding it the other way. So that's a great tool to use. I also got another ratchet. I already got quite a few of them. So it's extension ratchet and different angle ratchet. I got about 2 or 3 different ones. This one is handy because you can change slightly the angle for those awkward places. This is 3/8 by the way. Like I said, I'm going to put the description and the links for all of these tools. So you got this one from Bergen. This is just an impact screwdriver pretty much. So I mainly use this one for the drums. So when you got these screw on the drums and they usually are seized or just rusted away, so get this thing on there, put the adapter that you want on, and then just hit it with the hammer, and it'll help you a lot. That saved me a lot of time using that tool. Also, there's just a little tool here for the coolant hoses clips, which is perfect because you got the cutout that holds one of them, and for the smaller one you just locate it in there and it locks it as well, so you can just leave it there because we all hate those bloody coolant clips, so this will be a perfect tool for that. This is some of the kits for the vac group, for the, I don't know, caliper carriers for all the bolts. This is the impact ones, which is very handy. You got a long one as well. So I'm going to be using them soon in my videos on the TIG one and the Scirocco. And this is the other set for the VAG group. When I say VAG group is what I'm going to use it mainly on, but it's obviously the same on different cars. So this is what I'm going to use to remove the drive shaft on my TIG one when I'm doing my spring, which is very handy. Also, this ones you can use on gearboxes, on the drain bolts, so you can do them, drain nuts. So that's very handy as well. So I got a set of hammers, which is very affordable as well. They're great hammers. I got exactly the same set at work. I've been using them loads as well. Set of the impact extensions, which is great for your 1/2 inch and 3/8 or 1/4. As you can see, you got all the different sizes. Obviously, even if you're not using them as impact, you can just use them as a normal extension, which is very handy. Then I got the little mini grinder for the airline, which is great. It comes with all the adapters. So this is lovely. It's a tiny tool, but it has got a lot of force into it. So this will be great for like cleaning the calipers, the carriers, or you can buy a brush to clean the rust off of your bolts. So this is a nice handy kit as well. I also got the same one at work. And here we got the oxygen sensor sockets, which is very handy because I pretty much use them every time when I get oxygen sensor. You got the 1/2 inch and you got a 1/4 inch sockets. So you obviously got this cut out, so you can put that on the oxygen sensor, and the cable's not going to be in the way just to loosen it up. You also got the one for the different axes, so when you can't actually get to the oxygen sensor, but you'll be able to get your ratchet on there. There's another one, they're different sizes as well, so this is a handy kit. I use my one at work quite often. And like I said, none of these tools, I know these ones are new, but like I said, I got the same tools at work and none of them ever failed me, and that's why I keep on buying them. So like I said guys, I'll put a few of the tools in my description below, and I'm sure you're going to see me using these tools in the future. And like I said, I can't really recommend them all. I think they're very affordable and the quality is great. So and that's pretty much it for today guys. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope I see you soon. Bye.